Tesla's ambitious Giga Berlin plans are facing a major roadblock impacting Tesla's production at Giga Berlin. Environmentalists are throwing a wrench into Elon Musk's plans as Tesla Giga Berlin electric vehicle manufacturing plant. They are trying to stop the expansion of Tesla's Giga Berlin factory. Now, can Tesla win over the protesters, or will their dream factory be stalled? Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Give us thumbs up if you like this story that I'm about to tell you. Protesters at Tesla's Giga Berlin factory have caused a slight impact on the company's production schedule at the plant. Tesla will not open on Friday for production, and all employees will be required to work from home to avoid issues with the protesters at the plant. The plant will be closed for 4 days, including Thursday's holiday, Friday's protests, and the weekend. Production of electric vehicles at Giga Berlin will stop after the late shift on Wednesday and resume with the late shift on Sunday evening, and access to the plant will only be available if a manager approves it, according to German publication Handelsblatt, who first reported this story. Here's a quote I want to share with you. No access to the site or the factory is possible without the explicit instructions and approval of your manager. Quote. Tesla has plans to expand its Gigafactory Berlin plant, but protesters are more concerned about the environmental aspects of the factory's growth. The forest surrounding the current plant structure will need to be knocked down to make way for new buildings. Protesters have even built tree houses in the forest near the factory and inhabited them to stop the potential for trees to be knocked down near Giga Berlin. They said they planned to live in the tree houses indefinitely. Now, German politicians are not thrilled about the possibility of the protesters staying in the area, but they are technically allowed to do so. Brandenburg's Interior Minister Michael Stugben said, "We believe the threat is not just abstract, as is the case with hundreds of thousands of hectares of forests in Brandenburg, but rather concrete. The first thing is to rule out any danger to the camp residents, but also to the forest employees, the police, and forest workers." Tesla has operated Gigafactory Berlin since 2020, if you remember, and only builds the Model Y electric crossover in the factory. It also has a world-class paint shop that offers 2 exclusive colors, one of which was recently brought to the United States markets, and I've reported that at TorqueNews.com on our website. What do you think about this situation at Giga Berlin, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Visit us at Torque News for daily automotive news, including electric vehicle coverage and Tesla coverage. And give us thumbs up if you like this information. God bless you, and I'll look forward to your comments in the comment section below. Have a great day. See you soon in our next report.